Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how you can recover your email which is permanently deleted or removed from Gmail. Just follow my steps carefully so that you can recover your email which is permanently deleted. First, open the Google browser on your device. After clicking into it, now at the search bar, type for support.google.com. After clicking into it, now scroll down and click into the Gmail option. Now scroll down and find Fix a Problem. Click into it. At the first place, it's written here Gmail messages are missing. Click on it. Now scroll down and click on Most of my emails are missing. Click on it. Now on the blue color, here it is written We can help you find your missing emails and secure your account. Click on it. Now scroll down and click on Continue. After clicking on Next, Gmail will automatically restore all datas and emails within 24 hours. I hope this video helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can find more useful tips and tricks daily. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.